new here, my name is Reetahh and this is Tea Spill with Reetahh, where I talk about health, lifestyle and Christianity. New videos drop Wednesdays and Sundays of every week, so if this is the kind of content you would like to keep up with, then click on that subscribe button and join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in once again. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some foods that are high in iron. In my previous video, I spoke about iron deficiency and signs that you have low iron. Today, I'm going to be sharing tips on what you can do to improve your iron level, as well as some foods that are rich in iron. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Iron comes in two forms: heme iron and non-heme iron. The heme iron is from animal food and it is absorbed efficiently in the body, while the non-heme iron is from plant food, it's plant-based, and it is not properly absorbed in the body. So I'm just going to drop two tips on how you can increase your iron level before we get to the foods that are high in iron. The first tip will be to take iron enhancers. So iron enhancers help in the absorption of iron, and examples could be seen in vitamin C rich foods like lemons, tomatoes, oranges, fruits that are rich in vitamin C. So these foods will actually help to absorb iron. You know, in the previous video we spoke about one of the causes of iron deficiency, and that is malabsorption of iron. So when you take these iron enhancers, they will help your body to absorb, the iron better. And the next would be to avoid iron inhibitors. So inhibitors are food that reduce the absorption or utilization of iron in the body. Some examples are cow milk, tea or coffee. Rather than avoiding these things completely, if at all you must take them, you should take them like 2 hours before or after your meal, because these are iron inhibitors and they will reduce the utilization of iron in your body. So I'm just going to list the foods that are high in iron, and later on we'll just differentiate them on which category is the heme iron and which is the non-heme iron. The first would be our proteins. Fish like salmon, tuna. Then we have chicken. Chicken is also high in iron. And then we have red meat. Red meat is also good. Then we have organ meat like the liver, the kidney. Those are also rich in iron. And also we have eggs. Eggs are another good example of an iron-rich food. Then there's oatmeal. Oatmeal is also good. It also has iron in it. Our green leafy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, those also contain iron. Then we have legumes. Examples of legumes are lentils, beans, soybeans, chickpeas, peas. These are examples of legumes. So they also contain iron. Then potato is another good source of iron. Cashew nuts is another good, your nuts, your seeds. Pumpkin seeds also has iron in it. Beetroot also is another rich example of iron. It has vitamin C, it has folic acid, and folic acid helps in the formation of red blood cells. So this beetroot is actually very nice. So you can take them like your fruit juice. You can blend them with other fruits and take. Very healthy. And rice too. White rice also has iron in it. Now let's differentiate these to the heme and the non-heme iron. So for the heme iron, the red meat, the chicken breast, eggs, fish, those are examples of heme iron. While the non-heme are your legumes, vegetables, nuts and seeds, your oats, those are examples of non-heme iron. So those people that are vegetarians, they still are able to get some source of iron in this category of food, but the ones that are very rich in iron and also absorbed properly by the body are the heme iron. So basically this brings us to the end of this video. These are some of the foods that are rich in iron. So if you notice that your iron levels are low, you need to stock up with these foods that I have mentioned. Make sure that you eat enough. Don't forget our iron enhancers and the iron inhibitors, and if possible you can add supplements. Supplements are if your iron levels are really low. But if you just want to, boost your iron levels generally, you don't need supplements. Just try and eat more of these foods that are rich in iron and you're good to go. So that is a wrap for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe and share my video with your friends. Don't forget to drop a comment as well. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.